Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be practicing drawing contortion of the body. So if you have your pencil all set, we can draw. We will be drawing one kind of pose, and for this we will begin with an arc. So it can be a rough arc. Make sure that you put in a circle right there. Arc, circle, arc. Behind that same circle, another arc, circle, arc. Now around about here, just put in a circle like that. Arc, circle, arc, just that much. We're going to put in an oval here. Could be a circle, but an oval is better. And then just have this little line go like so. Another circle, another arc, circle, and another arc like that. So just so we can retrace our steps a little bit again, start off with that big arc, a bigger circle right there, arc, arc, circles, arc, arc. These are the legs, that is the body. These are the arms. So one arm is going back behind the head, one arm will be in the front. So let's do a circle here at the end of this arc. So arc, arc, and those are the adjoining circles. So how we will best do this is quickly draft the body right around it. Now you might be wondering which leg goes in the front. It's really up to you. I have chosen, because it's, well, if you're it's contortion, so I think it'll look best if I go with this leg in the front, the leg that is toward us, and then this leg is in the back. So that is the lower body taken care of. And then right here, you're going to quickly get that one arm in place, just like that. So the accuracy and all the details, they can be incorporated later after you have put down the general form. Now the face could be looking toward us, or it could be looking downward. I think toward us will be a little creepy in this case, so we'll just draw that line there, showing that that is the eye, the nose, the brow, and the mouth is hidden behind that other hand. And then here, let's put down the body first, and then let us first draw a closed fist, right around here. So we got a closed fist in front, and then we're going to draw the remainder of that elbow, because that is what is most visible to us in this case. So without worrying about the rest of the arm, you put in the elbow first, and then judging from here, from that circle you drew, you're going to attach the remainder of the arm behind and into that elbow. and that will be a contorted form for us. So I'm going to actually do this quickly with a marker as well. So on top of all the circles, I've chosen to go with this particular form, and the way that is the head right there, that is the closed fist right there, that is the elbow, part of the forearm, and that is the remainder of the arm and back. So that is one quick practice in our contorted form. Now you could add in, according to your own preference, details as you wish, shadows, whatnot, and your image will be enhanced twofold when you go into putting shadows and inks if you choose to go with a pen. Just make sure that you establish what light source you are looking to tap when you're putting these down, and accordingly the shadows fall into place. In this case it will be something like that. If the shadow is falling from somewhere from the top, again it could be a thin form, it could be a more bulky person. That is all up to you, but that is a quick essential exercise in contortion. So please Google lots of images and have fun practicing. The human body is a fascinating thing and very fascinating to draw. So have fun. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.